Great advice about learning how to make money online that anyone can easily follow. Money is not just something we need, it's something we want. We would like to have a comfortable lifestyle where we don't have to worry about paying our bills. In order to do this, one job often isn't enough, which is why many turn to online opportunities as detailed below. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses, and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Do not use your own money to front your online ventures. No legitimate business will make you pay money to start doing work for them. They will have little to offer you once they get their money, so don't fall for websites that offer memberships to be able to access their list of supposedly great paying jobs. Stay away from these firms. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. Making money online is something you can't just do overnight. You have to stick to your plan and remember that perseverance will get you through the tough times. The harder you work at it, the more you will make, so steel your determination and keep watching video like this one to learn more. When you need to make some extra income to pay bills or provide you with the luxuries you deserve, the advice in this video becomes priceless. Use these tips as you begin your career online. You will find that money will begin to stream in and your wallet will fatten up. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.